In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock transactions in Zoho books, ensuring your financial data is secure and protected from any unwanted modifications. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently lock your past transactions, preserving the integrity of your accounting records. To begin, head over to the Zoho Books website and click on the Sign In button. This will take you to the login page where you'll see various options for signing in. Select the Google option, as it provides a quick and seamless way to access your account, especially if you're already logged into your Google account on your browser. Next, choose the Google account associated with your Zoho books. Once you select your account, your Zoho account will begin to load. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a little while, so it's important to be patient. Keep a cool head as the platform sets up, ensuring everything is ready for you to proceed with locking transactions. After successfully signing into Zoho Books, navigate to the Accountant tab on the main dashboard. This is your gateway to all accounting-related functionalities within Zoho Books. On the Accountant page, locate and click on the Transaction Locking option. It's essential to familiarize yourself with this page, as it will serve as your control center for locking transactions, which helps maintain accuracy and accountability in your financial records. Now that you're in the Transaction Locking section, it's time to select the specific transactions you wish to lock. This could be based on the transaction type, date, or other criteria relevant to your organization's procedures. Carefully review the transactions to ensure you're about to lock the appropriate entries, as this action is intended to prevent further edits. Once you've identified the transactions you'd like to secure, move your cursor to the right side of the screen and click on the Lock button. This option allows you to initiate the locking process, which is crucial for maintaining your record's integrity. The next step involves choosing a lock date. This is vital because it determines from which point in time the transactions will be locked. Be deliberate in your choice of date, as transactions prior to this date will be immobilized, preventing any changes. After deciding on the lock date, you'll need to add a reason for locking the transactions. Providing a clear and concise reason helps with record keeping and future reference, ensuring everyone involved understands the context and necessity behind the locking decision. Finally, click the lock button one more time to activate the lock. By doing so, you will have successfully locked your transactions, safeguarding your financial data. Remember, transactions occurring before the chosen lock date will not be pushed through, adding an extra layer of protection and precision to your financial management. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively locked transactions in Zoho Books, securing your financial information from unwanted alterations. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore other features in Zoho Books to further enhance your financial processes.